Hello students, this is Coach High again. This video is about the dashboard place value, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite hobbies. I have an old Chevy 66 pickup. It looks very much like this, but I'm still working on it. This is one of my real favorites. I really love this truck, and my truck is called Trigger. So I wanted to try and show you how does the place value work with numbers or representing numbers and their places and their values. So without further ado, we're going to say bye to Trigger, and I'm going to show you my dashboard. This is how my dashboard looks minus the place values. Each one of these is a place, and it has a value between 0 and 9. It works like your speedometer. It tells the distance that you drive, and each one works like a Rolodex, where it goes from 0 all the way up to 9, and then it goes back to 0. So when it goes back to 0, the next place moves up 1. And it goes like that, all the way up. Okay, so I gotta also show you that here's a decimal. The decimal is right here, and everything to the right of the decimal, is a fraction. It is a fraction, but it is less than less than 1, but greater than 0. Everything to the left of the decimal, it is a whole number. You're going to refer to this when you're comparing and ordering numbers, especially decimals. If you're going back this way, the farther back that you go on the decimal place value, the smaller it is, the closer it gets to 0. Let me name both of the each place value. The one here to the decimal side or the fraction side, the first place, this one right here, is called a 10th place. 10th with a th at the end of it. The prefix name is deci, D-E-C-I. I don't know if you can see it. And the next place is hundreds, and the prefix is centi, C-E-N-T-I. The next place is the thousandths with a th, is a thousandths, and it's milli, M-I-L-L-I. The next place is a 10,000ths, and the next place is 100,000ths. Now there are more, but for the time being, we'll just stick with the 100,000ths on the fraction side. Over on the whole side, the first box left of the decimal is the ones place. The tens place is the next box. That prefix is called a deca, D-E-C-A, like the Decalogue for the 10 Commandments. You also have the hundreds place, and this like with a DS, and that's a hecto is the prefix. You also have thousands. Kilo is the prefix. You have 10,000s, you have 100,000s, and you have millions. Now that one can also go. We have higher place values as well.
Good morning, teachers. This is a reminder that our faculty meeting will start at 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Okay, I gotta hurry up and finish because I have a faculty meeting. The one other thing is if this once this place value turns up to 9, and it goes to 0, this one becomes a 1. And this one keeps going, it turns 9 again, it goes back to 0. This will change to 2 all the way up till 9. And then when this one changes to 9, this one goes back to 0. And this one changes to 1. And so it just repeats the process all the way up till it gets to here. When it gets here, when it changes back to 0, this 9 changes back to 0 in the tenths place, this becomes a 1 in the whole. So if you have a number with a decimal place value, I'm trying to get these to erase. This becomes a 9. This becomes a 9. This is the largest number. It is the largest place value closest to the whole number, to the ones place. So this number is bigger. How would you use this when you're comparing a number? If you have two decimals, if you have one that is, let's say, 1.95, and you have another that is 1.96, which one is larger? The one that is 1.96, because both of them have the same number in the tenths place, which is 9, but the second one has 6 rather than 5. So it is closer to moving towards a whole number. Okay. Don't forget to put this information on your packet. Thank you.